Why attending the home inspection is crucial for clients. As a potential home buyer, you might be wondering if you should accompany the inspector during the home inspection. The answer is yes. Being present at the home inspection provides several advantages. Learning opportunity. You can gain insights into the home systems and maintenance needs. Visual verification. You can witness identified problems firsthand, ensuring confidence in your decision. Ask questions. You can interact directly with the inspector for clarifications and valuable insights. Detailed explanations. You can receive thorough explanations and expert advice from the inspector. Home inspectors can also benefit from the home buyer's presence during the inspection. They can directly address concerns, provide clarifications, and offer detailed explanations. But it's important to remember to adhere to protocols by following the inspector's lead, refraining from touching anything without permission, saving non-essential questions for the end, and avoiding unrelated conversations. A productive and informative inspection experience awaits. Ensure the safety of your future home. Schedule a comprehensive home inspection today with one of our certified inspectors.